Hey loves, welcome back to Skincare with Queen. In today's video, we'll be making deep conditioning treatment for your hair. If your hair is breaking off, you're not seeing the volume, the thickness, and the strength on your hair, then this deep conditioning treatment is for you. All my naturalistas, we have a meeting. Yeah, you come, gather here, watch this video to the end, and yeah, subscribe, alright, and turn on your post notification. I don't want to go another day. So the first ingredient is rice. Rice helps to promote your hair. It helps to increase the hair volume. It gives it better hair shine and appearance. It makes your hair stronger and also repair damaged cuticles. It prevents dandruff and also helps your scalp. The next will be my avocado. Avocado is a great source of biotin and it helps your hair to grow healthy. The next is eggs. Eggs is also filled with good ingredients to help your hair. All right, so I'm also adding moringa. Moringa also helps to give your hair that strength and shine. So I'm washing off dirt from the rice. Please try as much as possible to wash yours. All right, this you might have different type of rice. There are local rice that comes with dirt, a whole lot of dirt, so try as much as possible to keep yours clean. So rice is very good. It contains vitamin B, E, and amino acid. It also contains inositol. All right, this helps to promote your hair to grow. It helps to smoothen the hair. It helps to increase thickness and shine on your hair. All right, so these are the reason I decide to use rice on my hair and my daughter's hair. So after washing this clean, I'm going to bring it to a cook. So I'll leave this on the burner to boil, to soften before I do the next. All right, so let me go over to preparing my avocado. All right, so I'm going to cut the avocado into half. So I'm using 2 avocado to enable me have enough quantity to go around. So I'm taking out the seed of the avocado. Well, I have a ripe avocado here that is almost going to spoil. So if you have your avocado, you can use it before it goes bad. You know it can go bad at any point, all right? How fast it goes ripe. So let's get back. Avocado is a very good fruit. It's a great source of biotin. It helps to grow your hair more healthy because it has potassium and magnesium. It helps to seal your cuticle cells and also help your hair to look smooth and shining, and it also prevents your hair from breaking. Since my daughter suffers a lot of breakage and she's not retaining length, I decided to do this. So I'm going over to put this in my blender. Okay, I'll be adding 2 spoons of my moringa. Moringa is also very good. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, B, C, E, iron, and zinc. This nutrient helps to work. This nutrient works together to nourish your hair follicles, strengthen your hair strands, and improve the overall health of your hair. This will not make the hair break the way it breaks, all right? So after preparing that and sieving out the shaft, I'm going over to blend my rice because it is now ready to be blended. I'm going to add a little bit of water to enable my blender to mix this. So this is what we have. I've blended this and this is how it is. It's looking smooth, but I'll have to sieve this out, filter it out, so I will not have any leftover on our hair. So I'm going to pour in my mixture which is the avocado and the moringa mixture, into the rice. Okay, all these ingredients helps to improve hair shines and elasticity. They help to boost scalp health. They also help you to promote hair growth, nourishes your hair, and also stop hair breakage. Okay, so I'm mixing this together for it to be ready for use. Next, I'll be going in with my avocado oil. I made this avocado oil a long time back, like a month or so. So I'm going to be adding this into this mixture to draw in moisture to the hair and to prevent the hair from drying. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 spoons of my avocado oil and I'm going to give it a very good mix. All right, so guys, if you have watched this video to this moment and you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? All right, you don't want to join the family, kindly subscribe to Skincare with Queen. This is Mom and Elora here, and in a bit you'll be seeing Elora. Our hair is improving from the last video on our last channel, on our former channel, where our hair was breaking. Our hair was breaking rather. Our hair is improving, guys. So here you go. Ta-da! This is Elora's hair now. The hair is improving gradually. It's growing fuller. We are taking it gradually. It's a gradual process. I'm not in a hurry with my baby girl's hair. So this is how she is. I've used mine from the bowl and I'm going to be using this on her for you guys to see how her hair is grown. She had this bald cradle spot at the back of her head. Now it is full, there's no space. I'm so happy, guys. If you've been following our former channel, you'll see where Elora's hair was really scanty at the back of her hair. I'm going to be touching that part for you to even see. I don't know if I can find her old picture. I'm going to put it up so that you can see how her hair was before. That place was really bowed that even if I want to pack her into one, it does not just come together, okay, because she had the cradle spot at the back. I guess people say when your child sleep or when a child sleeps with the back of her hair, it tends to break off, it tends to be scanty, and I got really worried. I don't take her out to make her hair outside, so I was really worried why she was really having that bald spot. And yay, introducing Nathan, that's her elder brother. Okay, guys, so I'm going to distribute this deep conditioner around her hair so to allow it really go through the hair and do its work. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. All right, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Yeah, that's the spot I'm touching with my hands. That spot was really bald. There was no hair. Okay, so guys, you can see it's improving. Okay, so guys, please watch this video to the end and also leave us a comment in the comment section. Show us some love. Okay, Elora will appreciate it and I so will appreciate it. Okay, guys, so thank you so much if you have subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, please kindly do so. All right, thank you so much, guys, for returning. You guys are the real MVP. Yay, we are at 1,000 subscribers. We can do more, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I love you guys. You guys don't know how you've really made me stronger on this new channel. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going over and I'm going to be showing the love some tender care round. Make sure the products saturates and goes round our hair, our scalp, so that it will do its job. Okay, so this is me going in, trying to massage and work the product into her hair. My daughter's hair is really improving and I'm really happy. Okay, I'm happy, though it's not been an easy movement, but I'm grateful and I'm happy. I'm still praying over her hair and I know God will make the hair pick up. I, as a mother, I'm suffering alopecia, and I guess childbirth also increased it and made it worse, but gradually I am also going through the process of healing and growing the hair. Okay, guys, so I am loving every journey. and I would like to also include the journey into our skincare channel, which is Skincare with Queen. So guys, you'll be seeing a lot of Elora and also you'll be seeing a lot of my scalp and my head. Thank you so much guys for watching. All right, so I'll be covering a plastic bag on her head to heat it up a bit because we've not gotten our deep conditioning treatment head heater a bit warmer. So but we're going to make do what we have. I'm going to cover this and also cover with a towel. All right, so guys, thank you so much and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye. So I'm telling you exactly what is on my mind. Seems like everybody